the problem we have in Nigeria is that our people are not reading people. So in most cases, they try not to check out the facts. They're not oriented to checking out the facts. But like you read out at the beginning, the features of a proper federal system. A federal system is created so that it has structural balance. There is a relationship between the structure and anticipated stability. But I have a book in my hand here. This book is called Document on the Decolonization of Empire. In this book, it is stated that Britain set out deliberately to create an imbalanced federation that will have a dominant north that will dominate federal Nigeria and allow Nigeria to remain part of informal British Empire.